Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna be showing you how to install this Nutone Roomside ventilation fan. Start by turning the breaker off. After that, you can remove the blower by pushing on the side tabs. First step, then you remove this clip, just push down on it. Pretty easy stuff. I do the instructions a little different, like over here it's asking to put those, but really I had to took them off at the end and put them at the end. This is really important part. It was hard for me to find this, and that's where it is, just so you know. Don't throw that away. After that, you install those because that's where the lights is going to screw onto. So get those on. And after that, let's see. Okay, I had to remove the old fan that was smaller. I just marked it. I didn't have to measure it. Go ahead and cut it. Um, After that, measure it again. I need a little bit more. Started taking the old fan apart. The old fan had some cool brackets that went to the joists. This new one didn't have those brackets, so I had to make a support system on the top with leftover wood. So here you gotta unscrew that piece that goes from inside and out. Very important, you keep the other side right there, move it out the way. Pull the cables, I get electrocuted. Just kidding, the camera fell. You see the little galvanized bracket? You leave that in there when you're connecting it. I skipped a step and started connecting the wires. Um, and here they don't show you this. It doesn't show those colors, but all the wires go together, so that's easy. And then that for the fan, where the fan goes connected, is black on black, and that's a switch for the fan. Has a separate live wire, and then for the light, the black one goes on the red one, and that's the switch for the lights, and that's how that goes. And all the green ones are the ground, and you put that with the ground, which on the other one coming out of the ceiling was just a bare wire. So that's the wiring, and then I'm screwing it on right there, very important. And I folded the flaps just to bring it up like that. It's from underneath, but I could have brought it up from on top. But I put those clips where it showed on step 3, where it's looking nice and clean. I got it pushed in. I screwed those in so the wires are not showing. It says mounted there, but I mounted it on the joist up there. I made a support system with some leftover wood, so I know it doesn't look too pretty. And over here, yeah, the blower, I installed it pretty easy. It just snaps on, and then there's two screws, little screws that go on to support it. Very easy stuff. And then over here, the light, just unscrew it counterclockwise, and then there's another little screw that you take off and it'll snap out. Then you can get the bracket with the two long screws that it provides. Put those on. Yeah, I suggest doing it a little bit at a time so you don't tweak it. And then after that, check it's nice and solid. Plug it in. There's two hooks on each side so you can hook it on. Once you hook it on, put the little screw back on and get the cover light, twist it on, and you're good to go. So that's it guys, it's that easy. It was my first time doing it ever. I was a little scared and I wanted to do my best, so I took my time. It took me forever and I wanted to get good shots for you guys because they do have videos on this but not on this product, so you can buy this product right now at Home Depot. I believe that's where the homeowners got it, and be able to install it step by step. I also did their tile back then. I've done a lot of work for them, so that's the support system I made for it. Previously and we're gonna change that. We bought it online because that's why the other fan that I replaced, this is in the other bathroom, it got burned out. It has condensation and comes back down and it burned the motor. And this is another video that I'll work if you guys comment and want to see another video. This is the other fan. It was a lot more easy, so the one I did is more difficult, so I don't think it's necessary, but I did the other one, and this one was real easy because the wires just snap right on. Another technique that I use to put up the fan and hold it together. So please hit me a like and subscribe, and I'll keep making videos like this. God bless you and peace out.